National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Christian County, Kentucky, southeastern Caldwell County, Kentucky, northeastern Trigg County, Kentucky, southeastern Hopkins County in northwestern Kentucky until 10:15 p.m. At 9:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Cobb, or 8 miles southeast of Princeton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dawson Springs around 9:50 p.m. Crofton and Nortonville around 9:55 p.m. Morton's Gap around 10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Hawkins and St. Charles. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 97 and 108. Western Kentucky Parkway near mile marker 39. Penny Ryle Parkway between mile markers 22 and 34. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Caldwell, Christian, Hopkins, and Trigg. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.